What's up, everybody? We are at our Delaware location for another RV tour. Get excited because behind me we have the 2024 COACHMEN GALLERIA 24 QM. This Class B motorhome sits 7 people. 7 people. So get your family or get your group of friends, hop on in and make some memories. Let's go check it out. And before we jump inside, let me just do a little something. Automatic doors. Who needs a man to open the door for you, ladies? You have this Galleria. This B van is luxury, and I mean that with a capital L. Is that right for you guys? Just in case. Even if it's time to get back on the road and get the road trip started, you are going to be driving in some serious comfort. You get dovetailed cabinetry, so you're really getting that high quality. With the cabinets, you also get soft close, so even when you're angry, you can't slam anything. Below the TV, you have your control panel, but let's focus on the TV. TV will pull out and swivel to any position you need, so even if you need it to face the kitchen while you're cooking, you can do so. And you're thinking, where's the bathroom? Do I have to pull off to the side of the road? Do I really have to? Absolutely not. Now, how did you beat me in there? Jump scare. Into the bathroom. You have your toilet, your shower, everything in one. That sounds pretty convenient to me. You get a removable shower head, so if you're bringing a pet along with you on the road trip, don't worry, your dog can still take a nice bath. So you're getting ready in here, you're showering in here, you're doing your business in here, you're doing everything in here. And the beauty does not stop with this kitchen area. For a B van, you're getting so much prep space, so much counter space to really cook up your favorite meals. You're getting luxe feeling appliances, removable faucet heads. I know those are nice when it comes to doing dishes. You get your microwave underneath. You have a cooktop, so boil up your water. You also have your refrigerator underneath, so keep all of your favorite beers nice and cold. Here's where we get comfortable and we relax. You can see above my head, and it's also to the sides. You have more cabinet space that can be used for wardrobe, all your clothes. This Galleria also has a lay flat sofa, which is supposed to be the most comfortable in the business, and you're not gonna feel all those annoying, uncomfortable bumps. You have your swivel table. This is super convenient. Nice that the table can get out of your way because it really does save a ton of space. But you can flip it out, make it big, and when you're done, or maybe you just wanna eat your meal by yourself, you have your own personal table as well, but you can swivel it to the end and make it a little side table. You have a TV back here as well. There's no need to fight over who wants to watch what. You have tons of charging ports, and you have some flip down cup holders on the wall to save some space. And what I think we all want to hear, and the absolute best part about RV camping, is the AC. This COACHMEN Galleria comes with an Aventa AC. Now this is gonna really give you that fresh airflow all throughout your B van, and it's also energy efficient. You get speakers, so get that party jumping. In this Galleria, you get 330 watt solar and 2,000 watt inverter and so much more. And remember, we are at our Delaware location, so if you like what you see, come on down. You can find one of our product specialists and they will walk you through and teach you everything you need to know about this B van.